Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Polygon Matic. If we're looking at the price of Polygon right now, it is currently trading at 99 cents, down 2.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 2.4% in Bitcoin and 2% in Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. Now we're going to be talking about the next price targets we could be looking at, whether or not we are going to see Matic fall lower, and the overall price analysis on that. If you like these kind of updates, you guys know what to do. Smash that like button, come join the Crypto ZX army. But now if we're looking at the market cap is currently sitting at $9.16 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $204.6 million. Now let's shift our focus to the price and see what's happening with the price and where we could be going in the immediate short term. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, if we're looking at the all-time high for Matic, it was December 28th, which was at almost $3 of 2021 bull cycle. So if we bring out the measuring tool right now and look at its current price, we are down about 67% until we retest that range from all-time highs. But now let's look at the shorter time frame and see what is happening and what are some next price targets we could be looking at for the price of Polygon Matic. So as you guys can see, as of recording this video, we are seeing Matic trading below that level of support, and you guys know how important this level of support really is for the price of Polygon Matic. And you guys can see we are below it right now, which is at that $1 mark. We're briefly below it, so maybe even if before we close the day, and we could possibly close back above that for Matic, but this is very, very important. But overall, you guys can really see how important this level is. Before, it was a massive level of resistance during the consolidation phase. We tried to break out of here several times and there was a rejection, and right now obviously it's playing as a level of support. We did see us go back down here for Matic back on March as well, but this was a strong level of support as mentioned, and we did get supported by here. And if you picked up some Matic around that range last time around, you would have seen Matic make a move of about 26.6% in just a matter of a week and a half, and that's where we're seeing ourselves sitting once again. Reason as to why the price of Matic is on the downwards momentum right now from the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level back down to its support line, and we have seen a retracement of about 17%. Reason being is because Bitcoin is seeing a consolidation, seeing a little bit of a retracement, and if we bring out the Bitcoin price retracement, it has been of about 10%. And obviously, as you guys know, altcoins tend to go down double compared to Bitcoin, especially when BTC dominance is still quite high, which we're seeing happen right now. So altcoins are bleeding more compared to Bitcoin right now, and Matic is no exception. But remember, if we go on staking rewards, like about 40% of Matic's current market cap is staked right now. People are earning passive income off of it, and you guys already know my stance on the price of Matic. This project has shown the power it has for itself. The team is absolutely great, and I don't see why this project is not going to hit an all-time high very, very soon. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys, since last June we saw Matic still up right now about 200%. So if there's going to be some haters coming in saying Matic is boring and stuff, remember, even during the FTX time, we didn't see the price of Matic retest its yearly lows, and a lot of people underestimate that. That shows the strength this project has for itself. And as I've said to you guys before, this is cryptocurrencies. Everything depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin sees a little bit of a retracement, everything is going to see a retracement. It's not going to be straight one line gains, just one moon straight to the moon. Absolutely not. It's a long bull cycle. There's going to be times where we see a lot of consolidation, and that's where your patience is going to be very much needed. And right now, this is where your patience is going to be needed, because we're not in an altcoin season. But when altcoin season really does start, and I'm expecting that to start soon, and once that starts, guys, that's where things are going to turn around, and we're going to see Matic retest its all-time highs. And if you were kicking yourselves back on Feb saying, I didn't pick some Matic when it was hitting new yearly highs, now is a great opportunity for a lot of people to be dollar cost averaging in. This project, you guys know my stance, one of the most strongest projects in the crypto space, and they have literally deserved the credibility that comes for Matic, because they have done exactly what they have said, and that's very, very rare for a project to do. Obviously sometimes some circumstances that come that could steer projects away from meeting the timeline, but this is one of the projects that has time by time have continuously delivered on their promises, and I would not be surprised if this project were to hit an all-time high sooner than a lot of projects, and I'm very, very optimistic on that. But as always, only time is going to tell, but obviously we are being supported by that range. What I would love to see Matic do is, before we close out the day, to actually close above this level of resistance. We're not down too much off of there. That would be the great spot to be at. But if Bitcoin were to see a little bit more downwards momentum, we could possibly see Matic, retest, obviously these levels that we have not seen since the earlier this year. Obviously, we have a lot of support built up around here, around 84-85 cents mark. So we could possibly see that if BTC were to retrace a little bit lower. But so far, Bitcoin has been holding very, very strong around the 61.8, obviously because there's a lot of support built up around here. But we will see what happens this week. But this is the current scenario for Matic. Let me know down below what you guys think, where you could see the price going. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.